All right, everyone, I'm going to give the quickest Bitcoin update for you on what I think is occurring here, what we're experiencing. I'm going to zoom out and go bigger picture as well. This is going to be such a quick video, but it's important to know where we're at in the count. I'm not going to do a comment request today because I just want to focus on Bitcoin. I really want to make this a short video, but leave a comment down below on what you want me to chart in the next video and what you want me to include. Crypto, stock, commodity, it does not matter. I will chart anything. Comment down below. All right, guys, we have experienced quite a dump in the Discord. We threw a short up. We hopped in a short around 72,000, and it ended up playing out pretty nicely. Join the Discord, free in the description below. The free option, I post alerts from time to time. We got the chats popping a little bit. See you in the Discord. But yeah, we hopped in around 72K, and we got a nice move down. The reason for the entry there, honestly, was RSI was just overbought. We were hitting resistance, and we had a nice move down that led to, on the smaller time frames, a nice little ABC retrace right here, and that's where I shorted. And this sucker's just been dumping down ever since. Now, what I believe is playing out in Elliott wave terms is a flat. We know Bitcoin loves to flat, so that is what I am tracking. And the flat is just a corrective wave. In my opinion, it's impossible to tell yet, but in my opinion, of an ending diagonal on Bitcoin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. We're in the 2 wave. This is our flat. I'm just gonna get rid of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You just know that's the structure that I'm looking at. It will most likely channel up like that. And it's just gonna come and take this liquidity out. Look like it's gonna dump, come up again. Around 76K, 78K is what I'm looking at. So in this correction, targets for me right now on this short, I already took profit. I took some profit off the table because you never know. But my ultimate target, and I want to ride this down to our fib zone right here. I pulled the fibs from the AB down to the C, and we have our corrected box right here. Also targeting the 1-to-1 right here. So anywhere from 65K down to about 64K is where I'm really targeting this dump. Right now we are hitting support on this massive trend line that was built from all these points. I think this trend line is going to break here. Maybe we need another sweep up like so. Maybe break out of this a little bit, and then we can come down for some more. Start impulsing down, and then we hit our wave 4 right here on this trend line, and then we impulse down for wave 5, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you don't know, in Elliott wave, a flat is a correction down, a correction up that breaks the high. It's an expanded flat. It's just a liquidity sweep, and then an impulsive wave, 5 waves down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's ugly how I drew it, but that's the basic structure. And also, it honestly looks most plausible. There's a lot of liquidity down here just on liquidations, but then also people got their stop losses, and will have their stop losses under all these trend lines, providing great liquidity to grab up. If it breaks this, there's going to be more liquidity down here. I think it's going to break that. You also have some type of a head and shoulders that looks to be playing out. This would break that shoulder line, massive liquidity, and then we can come up for another wave. where is my resistance, or my line that I really can't cross? I don't want to cross this low that was put in right here. If it comes down that far, the ending diagonal is gonna channel in a line that's like this. It's just not pretty. I want to have a decent upward sloping channel here. So we have an ABC here. You have a flat here. Comes down like that, and then you can ABC up again like that. Maybe something more like that. ABC down again, ABC up again, and we'll see what happens. I like that as the ending diagonal structure. Again, 1 2 3 4 5 get us around 78k, something like that. Now as I zoom out, I'm gonna keep this right here, zooming out. What are we looking at? Well, with this being an ending diagonal, my main idea, as we know, is a flat on a larger scale, something like this, coming down like this. That's just what I'm seeing right now. And then we can impulse up out of here and have the real bullish movement to the upside. This is my main idea. Is it gonna play? Time will tell. Now, a bullish idea, if you want to be bullish, is you have a 1 2, you have a 1 2 3, you're gonna have 4 come down into 5 for 3, and then 4 wave out, and then 5 up to about 100k easy. And in this you have 1 2 3 4 5, something like that. So if you're bullish on Bitcoin, if you don't think we're gonna get that dump that I pictured, that's just how I'm playing it, guys. That's what I'm seeing in the charts. But anything can happen. The most probable thing is a move to the upside, honestly, to be bullish. I just know how this market moves, though, and I feel like if enough liquidity is grabbed around close to 80k, it's gonna get ready to dump. Regular markets are looking like it as well. A lot of things are looking like they're starting to top out here. What I'm looking for, if you want more upside, is some type of structure where you get a move like this to come down, and you know it could take longer. This can still be a flat here, right? And then we can go up for a WXY, something like that, where you have another ABC right here to match up with this ABC, and then you have a matching leg right here coming down to probably 55k. If you get a move that looks like that down to 55k, that doesn't come and break the high, then I'd be looking to long around 55k to come up to around, 85, 90k at that point. If this comes up and corrects up, and I don't see an ending diagonal formation, but I see more of a WXY, if it breaks the high and then decides to dump down hard, if I had this corrective structure up, I'm going to be looking at a flat. Same kind of thing, down to like 55k, 56k, and then more upside. I want to see 5 waves in the ending diagonal formation for the flat to finish up. Alright guys, join the Discord linked in the description below. Use MEXC to leverage trade. It's what I use, linked in the description below. No KYC, no VPN. The lowest fees. You get 10% off the lowest fees, and linked in the description below. Leave a comment on what stock chart, whatever you want me to chart next. I will chart it for you. I appreciate you all watching the video. Subscribe if you're not already. Hit the like button if you got something out of this video. I will see you in the next one. I love you. Bye.